Let's do the first three problems together, number 1, 2, and 3. Looking at number 1, it tells us, or it's asking us, 12% of 50 is what number? The first thing I see is a 12%. That percent is important. Percent matches up with my blue box, so I can put 12 there. Of 50. Because I have the word of I can see is my pink or purple box, so I would put my 15 there. My 50, I'm sorry. There were no other numbers given in problem number 1, therefore I know that my yellow box, or my is where I will put my letter X. That is what we are trying to solve for. Now I can cross multiply, or multiply on a diagonal. I can multiply 50 and 12, that gives me 600. And I can combine or multiply 100 and X. Remember, when we are multiplying a number and a letter, I can put them next to each other. I can't combine them because one is a number and one is a letter. Now that I have this set up, I can read what it says down at the bottom. Divide by the number next to the X. So I can divide both sides by 100. When I do 600 divided by 100, I get 6. 100 divided by 100 is 1, or I can simply just leave it at X. So my answer for number 1 would be 6. So I can put that in the box. I cleared my work and now I'm on number 2. 15 is what percent of 40? Well, I have the number 15 and the word is next to one another. So I'm going to put 15 in my is box, which is yellow. I can see that 40 is next to the word of, so I will put 40 in my of box. I don't know my percent, so that is where I will put my X. Step 1, check. Step 2, multiply diagonally. I have 15 times 100, which is 1,500. And when I multiply 40 by X, I get 40X. I'm now on to step 3. Divide by the number next to the X. In this scenario, I will divide both sides by 40. That's the number with the X. 1,500 divided by 40 is 37.5. 40 divided by 40 is 1. And I can just leave that as X. So my answer for number 2 would be 37.5. Lastly, number 3, 11 is 44% of what number? I see a percent sign, that's perfect. So I have 44%. So I can put the number 44 with my percent sign. I also have the number 11. 11 is next to the word is, so that will be my yellow number, my is. My purple box, we don't know. I will put my X there. Now we're on step 2, multiplying. 11 times 100 is 1,100. Oops. 44 times X is just 44X. Now I can divide by 44 on both sides. So when I do 1,100 divided by 44, I get that X equals 25. So back up here, I can put 25 in my answer box. Let me know if you are still confused and need any extra help.